You know, the table wasn't made for just one of us. It was crafted for all of us. Every seat is taken, but there's always room for one more. Listen. We spend so much time looking at the lines we drew, building up the walls, blocking out the view. But the spirit doesn't see the color or the name. When we're on our knees, the heart sounds just the same. We're many members, but we're just one body. We're many voices, but we're just one sound. One sound, one heart. Every tribe and every tongue, singing what the Lord has done. No more division, no more us and them. We're the children of the great I am. Hallelujah. We are one. I look in my brother and I see a part of me. I look in my sister and I see my family. We're healing the ancient wounds that kept us all apart. We're tearing down the gates that were locked around the heart. The love of the Father is the glue that's gonna hold the story of mercy that is waiting to be told. One heart, every tribe and every tongue, singing what the Lord has done. No more division, no more us and them. We're the children of the great I am. We are one. So let the anthem rise from the city to the field. Yet every broken colors in this nation now be healed. We're walking in the light, for the shadows cannot stay. We're watching as the darkness starts to melt and fade away. The world is gonna know us by the way we show our love, reflecting all the glory from the kingdom of the Most Every tribe and every tongue, singing what the Lord has done. No more division, us and them. We're the children of the great I am. We are love. We are one, not just in word, but in truth.